Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have some grapes that was left over, and so I'm going to make a grape salad. It's real simple. All you need is you need your grapes. You need a cup of sour cream, cream cheese at room temperature, 3 tablespoons full of sugar, and 2 teaspoons full of vanilla flavoring. That's everything that you need. So we're just going to get all this cut up. I'm going to cut my grapes in half because they are such big grapes. And when you get it all done and you mix it together, I went to get some pecans, and I just decided not to get that back. So what I did is I've got some sweetened cranberries and honey roasted almonds to go on top when it gets through. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to cut up our grapes first. Okay, as you can see, I've got a bowl of green grapes and a bowl of the red grapes. So I'm going to cut them up. I think I'm just going to cut up a cup of each, and I'll just save the rest and just eat them just like they are. All I'm doing is taking these whole grapes and just cutting them in half. You can use them whole. I saw some salads that they were whole, but I'm going to cut mine in half. And I'm just going to do a cup of each. Nobody here but me. And I'll probably wind up giving most of this away. I don't know. I might really like it. I'll let you know very shortly. I've got a cup of each. I've got a cup of the red and a cup of the green. That's the cup of the green, and I got a cup of the red. Now all I have to do now is take my cream cheese and make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. Cup of sour cream. I've got one container here. I've used most of it, so I'm going to go ahead and use this, and now I'll open the other one. A little bit more in this one than I thought I had. And we'll open this other one right quick. Now let's get a cup of sour cream. Very good. We need 2 teaspoons full of vanilla flavoring. And we need 3 tablespoons full of sugar. Then we need to mix this up real good. So to make sure it's real mixed up extra good. I'm going to get my mixer, and we're just going to mix it up with the mixer. Okay, let's make sure it was creamy. That is definitely creamy. Then we're going to put a cup of red grapes, a cup of green grapes, and just mix it together. Then we're going to let it chill for about 30 minutes. You know, I only had this many green grapes left. I think I'm going to cut them up right quick and add them right on to this. Make a lot of cream to go with that. So we're just going to cut these up right quick. Put them right on in there. And after I get them cut up, I'll just see how much I've got. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope y'all are having a good day. I just want to see how many I've got. That's about like a half a cup. So I've really got a cup and a half of green ones. And I'm going to cut up the rest of these red ones. Like I say, I needed to use these grapes. So we're going to mix this up. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel. There we go. That's what it looks like. And I have some in my bowl. And I'm going to, like I say, you can put pecans, you could put walnuts. When you get ready to serve it, just put whatever you like on top of it. And I'm just going to sprinkle some almonds and some cranberries. And there we've got a grape salad. This is red grapes, green grapes, a cup of sour cream, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. Mix it all together. Oh, I'm sorry. And also 3 tablespoons full of sugar, 2 teaspoons full of vanilla flavoring. Mix it all together. You have really got a very good salad. Fruit salad. Let it chill for about 30 minutes and it's really good. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me. Please subscribe to my channel and have a real good day. Bye.